Ever wake up from a dream and think, what the hell was that? Like, why were you flying through a Walmart filled with goats? While your third-grade math teacher screamed about taxes? Yeah, us too. Dreams are weird. But guess what? It actually goes into beast mode. There are different stages of sleep-light, sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement, which sounds intense, but really just means your eyeballs start doing cardio behind your eyelids. Most of your wildest dreams happen during REM, like the one where you're marrying a sandwich. Yeah, that's REM doing its thing. Their S, actually a reason your brain throws random nonsense at you every night, like it S Netflix on shuffle. Welcome to Think Bits, where we break down life's big questions with just enough effort to say we tried. He said dreams are all about suppressed desires and stuff you secretly want, but can T admit out loud, like stealing your neighbor's lawn gnome or becoming a pirate? Even if you think you don't, you do. You just forget it faster than that password you swore you'd remember. Most people forget 90% of their dreams within 10 minutes of waking up. They help us process emotions, store memories, solve problems, and give us front row tickets to the weirdest show our brain can produce, nightly the theater of WTF. We might not know exactly why we dream. Honestly, we're glad we do. Because a life without dreams, that's just 8 hours of black screen, boring. Unless it was super weird or super scary, then congrats. Your brain probably bookmarked it for the cringe archives. If your dream tonight involves raccoons in business suits, don't blame us. Blame your brain. Maybe Freud. He'd probably say it means you want a promotion. Freud thought your dreams were your subconscious spilling the tea while you sleep. Honestly, a little dramatic, but also kind of juicy. Today's topic: why do we dream? Spoiler alert, nobody really knows. These days, researchers think dreams are more about emotions than repressed fantasies. It's your brain's way of emotionally processing stuff, like a late-night therapy session, but without the copay. Yeah, your brain shuts off your muscles, so you start acting out your dreams and drop-kick your partner in bed. Enter lucid dreaming. That's when you know you're dreaming and can kind of do whatever you want. Like fly, breathe underwater, or finally have that dramatic soap opera showdown with your old boss. Some people train themselves to lucid dream, like dream ninjas or something. It's rare, but cool. Also a little creepy. It's called rematonia. And it's the one thing standing between you and sleepwalking into your fridge at 3 a.m. Nature is weird, but efficient. That's why you sometimes wake up feeling weirdly better after dreaming about hugging a jellyfish. Emotional resolution? Who knows? Like how to fix your relationship, beat that level in a video game, or finally remember where you left your AirPods. Dreams sometimes give you answers, or at least more questions. But hey, that's not going to stop us from pretending we do, like your neurons are just firing off signals like, hey. Let us make this guy dream about dinosaurs in space with salsa music playing in the background. Basically, dreams could be your brain's version of channel surfing with a broken remote. No meaning, no message, just vibes. Alright, so let's start with the basics. When you sleep, your brain doesn't just shut off like your laptop after 5% battery. Nope. So why do we dream? One theory is that your brain is just doing a cleanup. Like when your phone starts glitching and you're like, let me restart this thing. Dreaming might be your brain's way of hitting refresh. It sifts through your day, tosses out the junk, and files away what's important. Memories, emotions, that one time you embarrassed yourself in 7th grade, it's all part of the storage system. Dreams help your brain say, all right, trauma over here, grocery list over there, and weird crush on fictional character. Let's pretend that never happened. Another idea, problem solving. That's right. Your brain might be working overtime while you're knocked out, trying to help you figure stuff out. Some scientists say dreams are just random brain static. But then there's Freud. Oh boy, Sigmund Freud, the guy who saw deep psychological meaning in everything, including your dream about eating spaghetti. Still, modern science doesn't really ride the Freud train anymore. And get this, everyone dreams. Also, fun fact, your body is literally paralyzed during REM sleep. Now, you might be wondering, can we control our dreams? So yeah, dreams are complicated. Science doesn't have all the answers. But it's pretty clear that dreams aren't just nonsense. To wrap it up, dreams are like that friend who shows up uninvited, makes things chaotic, but weirdly leaves you feeling better after. Anyway, that's all for today. This is Think Bits, reminding you. Dream weird, sleep tight, and maybe don't eat cheese before bed. Apparently that does things.